Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how to monitor Linux operating systems using Zabbix Server with the help of Zabbix Agent. Before we begin, please support my channel by commenting and liking, as this will help YouTube algorithms promote this video better. Let's get practical. Today, we will monitor Ubuntu Linux OS using Zabbix Server. For demonstration purposes, I have set up Ubuntu Linux on VirtualBox. The first step is to update the list of available packages and also update the installed packages on our system to their latest versions. After updating, we need to install the Zabbix Agent on Linux. To do this, we will execute the command apt install Zabbix Server. Done. Next, we need to adjust the Zabbix Agent configuration file. To do this, we open the file with an editor. I use the Nano editor, but you can use any other. We find the server section and specify the IP address of the Zabbix server there. Next, scroll down and do the same for the server active section. Save the file with ctrl-O, enter ctrl 10th done. Next, we start the Zabbix Agent. Then we enable the Zabbix Agent Auto Start, and we check the status of the Zabbix Agent. As we can see, the status is active, meaning everything is working correctly. We also check if ports 10,000 and 10,051 are open in the firewall. They are needed for monitoring the Zabbix Agent. As we can see, the ports are open. If the ports are closed, they need to be opened. Zabbix Agent settings are complete. Let's move on to Zabbix Server settings. Go to the Data Collection tab, then to the Hosts tab. In the top right corner, click the Create Host button and fill in the corresponding fields. In the Host Name field, write the host name. In the Template field, select Linux by Zabbix Agent. You can choose an existing host group or create your own. Then add the agent interface, where you enter the address of the Zabbix Agent you will be monitoring. In the Description field, you can write any comment, and then click Add. Now, we need to wait a few minutes for the Zabbix server to receive data from the Zabbix Agent. If the connection fails, try restarting the Zabbix Agent. Check the connection again, and as we can see, the connection has been established, indicated by the green Zabbix bar. With this, Zabbix Agent configuration is complete. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below the video. This is it, Oracle. Wishing you all the best.